Prepare your logo or text in any software. Save your text or logo in PNG format. Now go to this video description and click on download link and download file. Extract the AR file. Open the PSD file in Photoshop 2020 or upper version. Double-click on this layer. Open our logo or text in Photoshop. Move this layer to already open mockup layer. Delete previous text. Now save your file. Enjoy the beautiful result. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.